In this video, you will learn how to create email addresses in cPanel. Now, before doing this, you should have your cPanel login details sent already to you, and you should have logged into your cPanel account. So I assume you already know how to log into your cPanel account. If you don't know how to do that, check our channel for more videos. So let's get started. Click on email account in your cPanel. Good. Now click on create, sit over here. Now click, so you'll see the details. You need to input the details for the email address you want to create. Now, for example, you might want to create, for example, maybe admin at the website name or info at the website name. Let's assume we are doing info at, in this case, this is the netlightspace.com.ng. So I put the info in, then you have to set a password. I like using Avast random password generator for this. Let's get it. Let's do maybe 12 characters. Copy, paste there, and you should get a strong password. So you see there's a strong password, 95% strength. If you're not okay with it, you can go generate more, as much as you like. Then you move on. Click on create. Now let's check the optional settings. So these optional settings are size of the email address of the email account. You might want maybe 500 MB, 1 gig, 2 gig. So as much, depending on the amount of space you have in your cPanel. So this particular cPanel has 3 gig space in total. So I can assign as much as I want to this particular email address. If it's your main email address, you should assign at least 1 gig upwards. If it's not your main email address, you might just maybe assign 500 MB. Yeah, so take note, this is the space your emails, the attachments, and everything that has to do with your email account will be stored in. So it's very important. So 500 MB, let's go with that. I think the rest are okay. Yeah, the rest are okay. Just click on create. You have your email address created, working now. Now you want to log in, right? You can log into your email address by clicking check email here. So there are 2 ways you can log into your email address. You can click check email here. And you have display. Just click on save and continue and click open here. There are 2 ways to log into your email address. The first method is to click on check email here. You can just click save here. Now open here. We'll come back to this screen later. And you can see, so it's a fresh email box. This is the settings in case you want to add your email to Outlook, Gmail, and other email clients. So this is a fresh email box. You can compose from here, compose a new mail and send out. You can check mail, receive mail here. You can do a lot. You can do a lot here. So this is the round cube interface that comes with the cPanel platform to manage your email account. Now, the other way to log in case maybe you have a client, you want to give the login details to a client. The website is not your website. You want to give it to a client, and the client needs to log into the email address, and you don't want to give the client your cPanel, your old cPanel account login details. So what you can do is to tell the client to go to yourwebsite.com/webmail. So in this case, this is my website /webmail. So then you give them, they'll enter the email address and enter the password, which this is the password I believe, and you should be able to log in. Simple. So you can just tell them to go to the website.com/webmail, whatever your website name is. If it's .com.net, whatever it is, /webmail, and they just click on open. They can tick this box so that it opens automatically next time. You get what I was trying to say? So if next time you want to open the inbox automatically without having to come to this page, just make sure this is checked. and you click open. Okay, so that's it, as easy as that. Now if you want to delete the account, simple. Maybe the account no more in use, simply go to manage here, back to your email account in cPanel, click on manage and go down to delete email account. Click on it and your account, the email account will be deleted. You can, the other things you can do, like suspend the email account for some time so it doesn't receive emails, or suspend outgoing emails from the email account. So there are a lot of things you can do in the manage page. You can change the password also, change the password. You can also generate password if you like. You can generate from here. So if you don't want to use the random password generator, generate from here and make sure you copy whatever you generate and keep it safe. So change the password that way. You can change the storage, you can add restrictions, and you can also delete email accounts from here. To change the password is easy. Let's go back to email accounts. So here you click on manage, and of course you have your password here. Generate. Let me copy it, and you click on save down here. Update email settings. Sorry, that's it. Done. So that's the new password. This should log out now. Automatically logs out. So I need to use the new password to log in. Now you can also change the password. Your clients can also change the password from the webmail interface. So the client that you give /webmail, your domain /webmail to. So you say info at, so let's put the email address again. Now I'll paste that password I changed now. Let's log in and see. Okay. You can say open here. Now, if they want to change the password, they change it from the webmail home. You know that page you saw before getting here. So they can go back there by clicking on webmail home. Then you click over here at the top here. You should see password. That's it, password and security. So this is your client now using the webmail interface, not the cPanel. Then they can put in whatever new password they want to put in. Maybe they can also generate the password. So maybe generate, copy that, and yes, and that's it. So that's your clients changing the email account password on their own without having to come to you. So you return back to webmail, and maybe let's have this checked. Open. So the password has been changed. If you log out now, you have to log in with the new password. Now on the manage tab, we can do more. We can change the storage size, because if you go back, you will see that the size is 500 MB. You can say I've not used just 79 kilobytes. Nothing has been used. So you can change that size, increase the size or decrease the size as you want. Once you put in your preferred size, you scroll down and click on update email settings. That's all. You want to restrict or suspend outgoing email, incoming mail, or logging in. You don't want your client to be able to log in from the webmail interface, like using /webmail /webmail. You don't want your client to be able to log in through this, maybe, or maybe you want to, maybe their account have been compromised. So there might be a point when the password was compromised or something. You can easily suspend the login in that kind of case, or suspend outgoing email if you suspect that maybe they've been hacked or something, and maybe they are sending out spam emails. You can suspend that. You can also suspend incoming emails. So then you click on update email settings. That's all. Then the last thing you can also do is to delete the email account. You can click on delete email account. Say yes, you're about to delete account, yes, and you click on delete, and the account will be gone. See, it's gone. So that's basically it on managing email accounts in cPanel. Now you've created your email account in cPanel, but you want to now you've created your account in cPanel, your email account in cPanel, but and you want to configure it with Outlook so that you don't have to maybe go through the webmail login or have to click on check mail. Sometimes your maybe your client who owns the website or you might not like this webmail interface here. So let's first log into the webmail interface. Remember the way to log in is to go to /webmail, your website.com or .net, whatever it is, /webmail. Put in the email address, password. So you have this interface. Now, some people don't like this interface. It's boring. Sometimes it doesn't load fast. Some people are used to maybe you are used to Outlook or using your Gmail, different clients. So I will start with connecting this email address to Outlook. Now, this mail here that you get is a configuration information on how to connect your email address to Outlook or other email clients. If you don't have this mail, so you can check this mail for the settings. That's the first place we need to go to get the settings, or you can go back to the webmail home by clicking webmail home here, and you can also get the settings here. Yeah, so just come over here and click under setup email on your device, click on automatically configure my device, and you will see the details that you need. All right, let's get started. So first, let's open our Outlook app. Outlook, open Outlook. Click on file, click on account info, then you click on add account. So the first thing you do is to type in the email account info at sorry. Type in your email account, click on continue. You type in your password, which I copied earlier. Continue. Sync your IMAP account, you click on continue. And that's all.